Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disconnect Cash App from Apple Pay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, you will need just to go to your Apple settings or your Apple wallet, and then you will need just to disconnect the Cash App. So basically, here we will understand in the Apple Sports articles, you can see how you can change the default card or you can even remove your payment cards. So simply you will need first to open the Wallet app, and basically you need just to search for the Wallet app that will be looking like this on your iPhone, and then you will start seeing all the cards that you hold. Either it was any bank or any card that has been connected to your Apple Pay in your iPhone. And after that, you will need just to tap the card you want to remove, and basically you will need to go to the 3 points icon so you can delete it. By clicking on the card details, you will see the remove card. And after that, you will be needing just to confirm your identity so you can remove this card. And the same would be for your Cash App. So when you go to your Cash App wallet or when you go to your wallet, you will need just to go to your Cash App Pay or the Cash App cards, and then you click on it, and basically you will find this 3 points icon that will be shown there. You click on the card details, and basically you just need to remove card, and you will need just to use the Face ID if it has been set up to confirm your identity or any other identification method. And of course you can remove also your cards from Apple Pay if your iPhone is lost by going uh, to your other iPhone and go to settings and start selecting the other lost or stolen iPhone, and then you can start remove the items from their wallet, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.